it's Gina with WTI. I don't wear scarves very often because I get irritated with how bulky they are and I feel like I am being drowned in them. That is not the case with this one from COtheSumay. This is a featherlight cashmere scarf and I love that I can wear it around my neck without feeling constricted at all. I got the color light blue, although there's lots of colors to choose from. I think this one is just stunning and goes with a lot of different outfits, plus blue is one of my favorite colors. It does have a taupe colored edging around it, which is nice because it breaks up the blue and gives it a little bit more depth. I think it's great that it's big enough that you can wear it in different ways, and it's fun to find new ways to tie it or even just wear it as a shawl. This is soft and smooth fabric with a fine weave, and it feels good against your skin. This would make a beautiful gift for someone, or of course you can just keep it for yourself. If you're looking for that really light, easy to wear, and beautiful scarf, then you should check this one out. And that's my point of view.